Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free CPU, GPU and cache fan controlling software for Windows computer. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as fan control. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. Now you can select either the portable version or the installer version, whichever you want to download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract the zip file. Just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see here the application fan control. Just double click on it. So now you need to install some add-ons. Just click on this install. Now you can just click on this cross icon. Now click on OK, click on yes, click on OK. Click on OK again, click on OK. So now you can see it's auto detected my respective fan. So you can increase or decrease the fan speed just by clicking on this plus and minus button. So if I click on this plus button, so you can see here the fan speed increases. And if I click on this minus, the fan speed gets decreases. And there are more options like themes, three icons, settings. Under the settings, you will get more options. Here you can install the plugins also. If you want some plugins, then you can just click on this option and you can install some extra plugins. And if you click on these three dot icons, you can see here RPM mode and height and delete option is available. So you can enable the RPM mode also if you want. And if you click on this button, then you'll see here Fahrenheit, so height in hertz, columns not, height fan speed hertz, height calibration levels. So here tons of options you can enable or disable here. And if you click on this three dot icons, you'll see more options here. You can save the configuration also. And by clicking on this plus button, you will get tons of options here regarding the sensors and the curves. So if you want to check out, you can select each one of these options in order to check the respective options one by one. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free CPU, GPU and cache fan controlling software for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.